Hi friends, Mr. Ben here, and today for Science Explorers, we talked about tree ring science. Now, tree rings can actually tell us a lot, and the scientists that study it are called dendrochronologists, and they study dendrochronology, dendro meaning tree and chronology meaning time. So what those scientists study is they study the rings, they study the distance between them, and they study how many that there are. You see, when a tree grows, it creates one ring every year. You usually find that there is a light part followed by a dark part, and then that pattern repeats itself. Well, the light part is made during spring and summer when the tree has the most nutrients, it has the best growing season. And then as it peers out into the colder months before winter settles in, you start to get a darker band, and that creates the entire annual ring. Well, the further apart that they are, the better the growing season that year was, the closer they are together, the less nutrients that they were able to get. Either if there was a drought, maybe the soil was not as nutrient rich that year, or potentially that the sun wasn't out as much as it could be. But usually it boils down to how much water there is. Okay. And we also talked about the different types of wood that are inside. There's heartwood, that's the dead part on the inside as the tree grows. It grows sapwood, which has the tubes that send the water up, and then the tubes that send the food and the nutrients that it creates through photosynthesis down into the tree. Well, as it grows, that sapwood turns into heartwood, which, although dead on the inside, creates a kind of skeleton for the tree to structure itself around, and gives it a lot of extra rigidity and allows it to stand up to the wind and all the other elements. Okay, so that's basically what you can learn about this from these tree cookies. And what we did is, since even though it's called a cookie, we can't eat this. I mean, you could try, but it's not going to give you any nutrients, and it's really, really tough. We decided to take ours and decorate them and put a little string on them to make ourselves a necklace like this. Well, that's all I have for you today. I would like to mention that starting in March, we're going to start our nature exploration program, and that's going to give us a chance to get out into the trails around Saratoga and really explore nature. And the first one is actually on the 17th. And you can give us, you can contact us rather at education@cmssny.org. Jess will respond to you and let you know a little bit more about this. And also, if you want to sign up for Science Explorers, you can do that too. So it was great having you, friends. And until next time,